In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money with KuCoin. Joining the KuCoin referral program presents a lucrative opportunity for both you and your referrals to earn various benefits. And here's how you can make the most out of it. Earn up to 60% of the trading fees generated by users refer. This provides you with a passive income stream effortlessly. Top referrers receive invitations for exclusive discounts and promotions tailored specifically for users who to join KuCoin through a referral code. And KuCoin frequently runs promotions for spot and futures trading, as well as for referrers and affiliates. Stay updated to keep the referral rewards flowing. To do so, if you haven't registered on KuCoin yet, sign up for a new account using a promo code. And this code will enable you to access your unique referral code. Start inviting your network, including friends, family, and associates, to join KuCoin using a unique referral code. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.